What's up, guys? It's your boy Mike, Hot Crypto. Listen, I know crypto mining is in the dumps right now. Nobody knows what to mine. Things are terrible. Energy prices are skyrocketing around the world, especially Europe where it's just awful. But guys, listen, I know things are tough. We're gonna get through it. I got some updates to give you, got some upgrades, and I got some new things to tell you about the new facility. I can't wait to share it with you. So let's roll the intro and let's roll the ad.
Fluxpools.net would like to announce a new weekly lottery for loyal miners that support their project. As you might already know, Fluxpools is operated by the people from the Flux team as they want to provide a safe and transparent mining experience. While the Flux project does not take directly from the pool, they do give a portion of the fees back to the Flux project because they understand that both the project and the miners are what makes this pool possible. Fluxpools has given away nearly 5,000 Flux a month back to miners. The new Flux lottery gives 5 lucky winners $50 each in Flux each week when you have a 95% uptime on your rig. There will also be a bi-weekly winner who maintains 99.5% uptime. That winner will receive 1.7 kilosouls of hash rate for 48 hours to their wallet. Fluxpools has also announced a 0% mining fee and 1% parallel asset fee forever. This on top of the weekly loyalty program. You can also earn up to 3 Flux per week. That giveaway prize will be sent directly to the mining address and nowhere else. Furthermore, Fluxpools.net has just launched a Neoxa pool with a miner loyalty program where you can earn up to 1,000 Neoxa for up to 1 gigahash each week with 0% mining fee for the first 30 days. Please do not mine directly to an exchange as your rewards may be lost as a result. Come see why Fluxpools.net is a great place to mine.
Okay, everyone, real quick, I want to give an announcement officially on the giveaway that I've been talking about on live streams for the Golden Hawk YouTube members. The first round winner will receive a 6600 XFX GPU right here that I actually pulled out of a PC that I bought that was pre-built, but I didn't want to use it, so it's practically brand new. As you can see, it's never really been used. It was running in my PC for like a month, but I don't want it. You guys can have it. I would love to give it to the members of the community. Also, second place winner will receive a Razer Viper Ultimate Wireless Mouse Cyberpunk Edition. So we're gonna have 2 drawings. Make sure you guys are there for it. If you wanna be a participant, make sure you join the Golden Hawk community. Go on my YouTube channel, hit that join button, and support the movement. I want to give a big thank you to the Great Baldini, Sunflower Mama, and the Mining King for giving me this awesome piece of artwork for my new office at the new facility. Baldini, I don't know how you got these lines so perfect when you carved it. This looks awesome. Sunflower Mama did an amazing job painting it, which now it makes sense why Max took my sticker off the board, right? And King, thank you so much for thinking of me, man. This is an awesome piece of artwork. I can't wait to put it up. So right now I'm doing some crypto winter GPU rig cleaning. I am getting rid of a lot of stuff, guys, honestly. I have some 3080s and 3090s, also some 3080 Ti's that I'm probably gonna sell, honestly. They're just really power hungry cards, they're not efficient. My go-to cards right now are gonna be the 3070s and the 6700 XTs. So if you're interested in upgrading your graphics card and you're looking for a deal, hit me up. We'll probably work out a decent price, maybe sell the 3080 Ti's and 3090s to you if you're interested. But right now, guys, obviously it's not that profitable to mine. So I'm gonna clean everything out, reflash everything, check the wires, make sure everything's running good, test the power supplies, and be ready for the next bull cycle. So I wanna give a quick update on the sticker board. We got 3 Fox Co that just sent me his sticker. I know Black Cat Crypto, I'm still waiting on yours, my man. Make sure you send that to me. But the sticker board is looking good, guys. I think I also got Blue Moon over here. So that's pretty good. Love the sticker board, it's coming together. Send me your stickers if you have any, I'll definitely put them up. Okay, so as you know, I built this wind tunnel about 2 months ago, 3 months ago, and now we're gonna have to take it all down. Why? Because we're going to a brand new facility. As you guys already know, it's huge. I can't wait to show you guys, it's gonna be awesome. But so what we did was we kind of improved this design. We're gonna isolate the cold aisle. We're gonna seal off this side here, right? And we're gonna furthermore be able to exhaust the hot air a lot better. So this design was a concept, a proof of concept, and it works. We made some modifications. Now Yeti is doing something really cool. he's gonna be able to punch in the calculations of the air pressure coming in and all that good stuff to see how the airflow is gonna work. So I'm waiting to hear back on that. Maybe we'll do a video on that. That's gonna look really, really cool. Obviously, we don't wanna give up too many secrets, but yeah, so as you can see, people are mining still. I got a bunch of rigs still running. It's awesome. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting me. If you guys are interested in hosting, hit me up. I'll have plenty of room here still, and definitely gonna have a lot more room at the new facility. One of the great things about hosting is I test every GPU that comes to my facility. So right now I'm testing a group of 3070s and one 2080 Super that I got recently on a trade. So yep, we test them out, we make them run only for about 24 hours, and then we put them in the R8 and we deploy them. Now remember, if you do purchase an R8, we do give you a discount on hosting. So I got plenty in stock. I also have Antminer X12s coming in on consignment. So if you're interested in an X12, I will have that in stock as well. They should be here any day. Chili was letting me know when the shipment was coming in. I can't say enough how much I love these NerdGearz PDUs. Guys, check out nerdgearz.com. They're awesome. These PDUs are great. They give me accurate readings. This is pushing it a little close to 30 amps, but it's okay. They got a breaker on them for safety. I mean, it's just awesome, guys. They are also surge protectors as well, so that's pretty dope. So if you're interested, definitely get them. I have them running to an L6 30R receptacle, so that's good. Just, I can't say enough about these things. I love them, they're reliable. Someone tell CHUMPCHANGE that his rigs look so lonely when they're not mining. Make sure we tell him. Send him a message after seeing this video. Say, hey Chump, your rigs look so lonely up there on the shelves not doing anything. You gotta plug them in, man. They're screaming for help. Make sure you guys tell him. Let me know what he says. So one of my goals is to repurpose a lot of this stuff that I'm using, like these fans, the filtration system. Unfortunately, this wall is just gonna have to be torn down. This giant wall that we built outside for the exhaust fans, that's all gonna have to be torn down. I'm gonna take a lot of these panels with me too. We're gonna bring them with us to the new facility and utilize them. So, you know, that's all it's about, you know, trying to save money and make sure everything works. But this system setup is really, really good. And I know I've said this 100 times, but shout out to CHUMPCHANGE and Vince Be Trippin' for helping me come up with the initial wall design. I mean, you guys are awesome, and I appreciate all your help, really. All right, guys, so shout out to my lovely, lovely girlfriend for helping me out with this one. I have a new flag from Yeti. This looks awesome. Unfortunately, I don't have much room to hang it right now, but if you guys actually want one, Crib T is taking special orders. Just hit me up and I can send you one. They're only about $30 each, so definitely let me know if you want one, and I can get one ordered for you. Shout out to 3 Fox Co for sending me this awesome flag slash, I think it's just, like, okay, banner. I guess they're banners, right? Shout out to 3 Fox Co for sending me this banner. Dude, this looks awesome. Thank you so much. We're definitely gonna hang it in a new facility. And honey, thank you so much for holding the flag again. I love you, I appreciate it. All right, so I wanna share the only profitable machine in my farm currently, and that's gonna be my L7. This is the 9.3 gigahash model. It does about $16, $17 a day at my rate after power, which is really, really good. I'm like, hey, it's still profitable even in a bear market. So not financial advice or anything, guys, but if you have the money, this is a great machine to get. I don't have any codes or anything to anyone that can get them, but check out Musk Miners. That's where you can get them if you're interested. I think right now they're around 11, 12,000, but the prices should continue to fall a little bit. So maybe wait, you could probably get a better deal. I'm still running my iPolo V1 Mini Wi-Fi. It's actually running pretty good. It's at about $1 a day on ETC, so it's not terrible. Yes, I do have it hardlined in. I know it's Wi-Fi, blah, 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 blah. I wanted to test it, and then I just plugged this in because I felt like I just wanted to do that. I don't have a reason, but hey, it's working, it's profitable, and that's what matters. So listen, if you guys are interested in getting a device to help clean your rigs, this little X-Power thing is awesome. I got this on Amazon for like 50 bucks. I actually got it referred to me by the hobbyist miner, and he's like, dude, you gotta get it. And this little thing is powerful. It helps clean the rigs out very good. I mean, it's so dope. Check it out. It's so powerful. It just kicks up all the dust. It's got like some brushes on it that are really soft, won't hurt anything. I mean, I love this thing. You guys gotta check it out. It's so dope. So if you didn't know, this is one of my favorite GPUs, the Radeon Reference Edition 6700 XT. Guys, this is probably one of the most efficient GPUs on the market. I love this thing. I just picked this up actually, but I need about 7 more to put it in an R8. So if you guys want to send them to me and be awesome subscribers and friends, yeah, I would definitely take a few of these. I'm just kidding. No, but seriously, I do want them. All right, everyone, that's all I have for tonight. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I appreciate it. If you guys are interested in the giveaway, make sure you hit that join button to become a member, become a Golden Hawk. And guys, I promise you, I'm gonna have some custom merch for you guys coming out really soon. I'm gonna be doing some giveaways privately for members only now. It's gonna be awesome. And when the new facility comes out, you may get a discount on hosting. So make sure you hit the join button, help support me, and I will support you, I promise. Guys, you can find me in the Misfit Mining Discord channel. Scroll down to the Hawk's Nest. That's where you can find me. I'm always available. I'm open to talk to everybody if you need help. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys have any suggestions for videos. It would help me out and it would help out the community. Thank you guys so much. It's late. I'm gonna get home. I'm exhausted and my girlfriend is getting really tired of holding the camera. So thank you so much. Thanks, honey. Appreciate it. I'm out, guys. Have a great night. Thank you. Peace.